This is Dan and Grant, and we're showing you one of our favorite delicious snacks.
What you'll need for this snack is some Hershey's Hot Fudge toppings and 2 Ritz crackers. Ooh, amazing.
Yeah, Ritz.
Oh, and a knife and a plate.
Of course.
For you people that don't know. Then you take off the cap, put it in here, take some, and for you weird people, all you have to do is put it on, smear it around. Oh yeah, smearing it, oh yeah. And, Dan, what are you laughing at? Oh, come on. And now we put it on top and we smush it and then go. Yummy!
It's really good.
Hi.
Say your name.
I'm Logan.
Takes a long time to chew. It's really good. Why are you putting it at my penis?
That's Dan and Grant, and for you guys that watch this, put more of your recipes and we'll try them on YouTube. Bye.